Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando/Central Florida based disability attorney. I now serve a lot of those people. I serve them in Southern Florida, Northern Florida, the Panhandle, some in Georgia. I'm trying to stay away from the ones in Georgia though, to some degree, because it's just such a long drive. And I just don't want to have to do it anymore. And that sounds really snobby of me and everything, but I got so many. And this, remember, I'm in a really shitty chair. I'm just giving you a heads up. Craigslist got me on this one. But there's just so many claimants in Florida that I already work with and work for, and they work with me and work for me and blah, blah, blah. And we build a beautiful claim and have a beautiful hearing and blah, 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 blah. My bottom line here is this. We're all over the place now. And it's incredible, but it's also a lot of driving. And my Prius loves to drive. The F350 still loves to drive, but a diesel sucker she is. 7.3. Let's go on to the question. Drug abuse timeline trick question. Okay. This is one that is very personal to me because you guys screw it up, and you screw it up so bad it costs me a check. The judge will present the following question. Sarah, when was the last time you used crack cocaine? Sarah sits there. She thinks. Your Honor, the last time I used crack cocaine was 3 years ago. It's not a bad answer. Probably within, you know, protective filing date. You know, it's probably protective filing date is probably after that. You know, it should be okay. It'll be okay. It's all right. Yeah. Counselor, I'm pointing to. This is what I hear next. Counselor, I'm seeing in 14F page 9. Oh fudge, because it's, you know, for YouTube. Oh fudge, here it comes. In the fact pattern provided by the physician at Florida Biblical Hospital, I'm changing the names, that the doctor saw the claimant on such and such date, and the claimant stated that she was present 6 months ago because of a near overdose for crack cocaine. Counselor, what are your thoughts on this? Oh, well, she's got a bad memory. She was hit in the head. She was abused. She's a rape victim. You know, so many options I can choose here. Here's the thing, guys. I love you dearly, but your attorney has read the record in total. I do, before going in there. Ask me. I always tell my claimants now, the last time in the record that you were using drugs is on this date. This date. And usually they're smart enough to know what that means, which is, you know, don't lie about when they last used drugs. Alright. But most of you guys, you're smart. You just kind of, you know, don't put yourself in a position when it comes to drugs, the abuse of illegal drugs or the abuse of legal drugs that were illegally used. You know, like if you take them not in a prescribed way, illegal use. Excuse me. So just keep that in mind. And remember, once again, I'm in a really bad chair. I'll get some stuff and lube it up. But the bottom line is, please, 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 find out from your attorney when the last time you used drugs is on the record. Please. Yeah. Fudge it all up, and then the judge knows you're a liar and he's going to deny the claim. Alright, I want to point out something else when it comes to this drug abuse question number 5. Sarah! When was the last time you used drugs? Heroin, specifically. I mean, that was your drug of choice, correct? Yeah, that was my drug of choice. Okay, perfect, baby. Oh, a long time ago. A long, long time ago. Judge takes a moment, considers what's been said, looks back at the claimant, winks at me, doesn't wink at me. I'm just, but that's basically what's going on in his head. What's a long time ago for you? Help me with that metric. Oh, about 3 months ago. Okay, let me explain to you guys something very simple about a long time ago. A long time ago is not what is in Star Wars, because that's a long, long time ago. That's a really long bleeping time ago. A long time ago is just short of a long, long time ago. That's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago in a galaxy far away. That's not 3 months. You will lose all credibility. And I love you guys. I really do. If you tell the judge that 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, anything under a year ago was a long time ago. And look, I know what's going on in your head. You're fudging it. You're fudging it. You're getting out the fudge bowl. You're sticking it in there. You're taking your little spatula and you're whipping the fudge. I got it. Okay? I got it. But please remember, unlike other areas of law, like personal injury, or maritime law, or crim law, unlike these other areas of law, we see everything as disability attorneys and judges. We see your criminal record stuff, right? Because we pull it. We got to buy the medical records already. Okay? We see your medical stuff. All the stupid crap you told the doctor when you were drunk. We see your academia stuff. We see your business stuff. We see your administrative stuff. We see your legal stuff. We see all of it. I buy all of it. Then I read it all and I go, well, I certainly regret buying that one. But there's nothing I can do. I had to buy it anyways. A long time ago is not 3 months ago. And please, if you're sitting there with the crack cocaine spots on your face, you know what I mean, the telltale signs with the cheeks sucked in, give me a break. You know what I mean? They know all this. They sit in front of you guys all the time. They know when you're abusing drugs. They know when you've got a problem. Oh, I've been homeless for like 4 years and, you know, had a drug problem before that, but since I've been homeless, I haven't had any drug problem. Dude, like what? Dude, I mean, like, what do you expect? What do you think we're thinking? What do you think is going through our head when it comes to the brilliant or lacking thereof statements that come out of your mouth? What do you think we're thinking? You know, it's like the murderer, right? Is all thugged out. Then on court day, beautiful linen suit. What do you think we're thinking? Right? Alright. You get it. We're going on to question number 6. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have a unique question, you want a unique video made about a particular topic, or you want the most up-to-date information, shoot me a text, email me, call me, send me snail mail. That's a rarity. I actually like that because it's like a piece of paper I get to hold and I read it and I go, ooh, I'm going to respond with my fancy pens. Anyways, give me a call. I'll catch you later. Now we're going on to question 6. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.